Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a dedicated server for Unturned using a hosting site or platform, or the easy way, which is using a Steam app. So I'll be showing you both ways on how to do it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the method that we'll be starting with is using the hosting site, in this case Hostinger, to actually host our server. So the idea here is you guys would want to set up an account and buy a VPS domain to host our game for Unturned. So I'm going to, as you can see, I'm currently on the H panel for Hostinger, and the idea here is you guys would want to go to VPS, like so, and you would want to select a plan with at least 4 gigs of RAM to actually run your game. So you can get this by doing the cheapest one, or you can go to the game panel hosting. But I would say that in terms of versatility, I would have to go with VPS hosting, as this one comes with more features. So there's a dedicated IP address configuration, full root access, AI assistant, and malware scanner. Whereas game panel hosting, while the servers are more optimized, it's going to come with less features, as you can see. So the idea here is you would want to select one of these plans, and then the idea is you would want to install Unturned on your Steam. But before that, we're going to configure our VPS, or virtual private server. So assuming that you guys have bought the plan, just have it set up, and then you want to make sure that you copy all of the relevant information that we're going to input into Steam later. So that's the domain name servers, the IP address, the port, and so on and so on. So from here, you want to open Steam, and let me switch windows here real quick. So for Steam, you guys would want to click on Unturned or have it installed. And you guys would want to go to your library, right click on properties, and enter all of these inputs right here, and then run the game. And that's honestly all there is to it. Now, the easy way is by simply going to dedicated server for Unturned. So if I type down Unturned, you'll see that there's an option for dedicated server, and it's completely free. So you guys would want to click on this. Make sure to integrate this with your game, and basically the app itself will set everything up for you. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.